Welcome to HTML for Designers. I'm Nick Basile, a product designer and web developer, and in this course, we're going to be learning everything we need to know about HTML, what it is, how to write it, the syntax, everything we need from a product designer's perspective. So because of that, we're actually going to spend a lot of time together in Figma bridging what we already know in our design tools to the new concepts we're going to be learning in HTML. To facilitate that, let's take a look at this project here. We're going to be working with Quick Menu, which is just a very simple little app that we threw together here. But we have a landing page, we have a sign up, we have a login, and then some interior app kind of pages, very focused on a form, so that way somebody could build a menu for their restaurant. And again, this is to bring to life some of the examples that we're going to be working with and actually practice on something that's a little bit more realistic. So you're going to be able to find this in the Figma community. I'll share this in the link below, and that way you'll be able to view it and work with it as we're going through it. The other big thing that I want you to be aware of as we start this course is that this is a fingers on keyboards kind of course. We're going to be practicing HTML. We're going to be writing it together. And that is the single best way to get better at HTML. It's not to just consume this information and hope for the best. It's actually to practice and actively learn with me as we're going on. So along the way, I'm going to be saying fingers on keyboards as a little reminder that this is a good time for you to be following along and practicing with me, because that is the best way that you're going to absorb this information and be able to use it in your day-to-day career. All that said, thank you so much for tuning in. Very excited to get started, and I hope you enjoy it.